Hey internet, this is Bharat, your weekend farmer. Welcome to another video. This video is going to be all about round straw baler. After this year's paddy harvest, the straws were all over the field. So we decided to rent this round straw baler. This is nothing but an attachment to the tractor. So I'll be sharing few clips from the day this machine was in our field. First things first, the chains and the sprockets need to be well lubricated. As I had mentioned earlier, this is an attachment to the tractor. Let's have a closer look at the badge in the machine. It clearly shows the manufacturing details and their contact number. So now let's see the machine in action. This machine beautifully picks up the straws from the field and tightly packs them into cylinder. As you can see, this forms a beautiful compact cylinder and ties them up with the rope. We are seriously impressed by the way it works. It picks almost all the straws from the field. Now let's have a closer look at the working of this machine. We can clearly see those metal bristles picking up the straws. This then goes to a closed chamber which tightly packs the straws to form a cylinder, and this rope is used to tie them together. Once it's done, it gently drops that cylinder behind and proceeds with the work. We could easily stack these cylinders. Each cylinder weighs around 21 to 22 kgs. Well, that's all for today's video. Thank you for farming with me today. See you all in the next one. Till then, take care. Jai Hind.